All right, everybody, Sylvia here, coming to you from Tater TOT 2021. And today we have taken off the trail of the Coeur d'Alene. We have driven to the town of Harrison, parked our trucks, and taken out our trikes to do a ride from Harrison to Plummer. Should be an absolutely outstanding day. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. So we're going to be riding along the lake today, going out to a little town called Plummer, which doesn't really have much to it, and then riding back. It's an out and back ride. Big fluffy clouds. Just look at all these colors, just fantastic. You got Molly with you? Yeah. And here's Miss Critter, ready for her close-up.
My little dog.
Little cutie pie. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
I know. Dave's a sweetie too.
Oh, sure.
Just come off the bridge. Starting to get warm out here. Taking a break, strip down a little bit. I love these boathouses. My gosh, this water is so reflective. Molly's head sticking up out of the little trailer. On your left. Edna. How's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. It's pretty nice out here, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous day for a trike ride.
Yep.
Mechanical issues, but we have expert mechanics with us, so I don't expect this to be a problem for very long. If you're going to have a mechanical, Lonnie's a good guy to have on your ride.
This is not locking.
Yeah, the click box.
The infamous click box.
Those click boxes are very tricky. So Edna's changing the power level on her e-assist, and her derailleur is shifting on its own. That's very interesting.
Quiet here. I'm going to leave it in this gear.
Yeah, now it's quiet.
But if you just add power now and see what it does.
Bike's up. So we have lost our view of the lake, and in this direction, going from Harrison to Plummer, it is all uphill, but since it is a old rail trail, railroad grade, it's probably not much more than a 2% climb, but it's through a forested area. And it's still very, very pretty. Just in case you were wondering if we're on a rail trail, we're actually going to cross some tracks here. We'll look both ways. Trail of Coeur D'Alene. Oh, look, there's some beautiful horses here. See you later, horses. Very nice to see you. really see them in the, I don't know, is that pond scum or algae? They're kind of forging a path through the green. All right, everybody, it's been just another fantastic ride. Harrison to Plummer. If it's Wednesday, it's the Harrison to Plummer ride. Yeah, this is the last ride of Tater Tot. It's Wednesday. I think most people are going to be taking off tomorrow. And even though it was a lightly attended Tater Tot, I had a great time. I thought it was well worth coming. And I'm sure that next year, a lot more people will be attending. It'll be really wonderful to see everybody. I think everyone kind of missed being with the whole gang. Everybody was really missed. And I expect next year will be more of a party. So all right, you guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.